Our 9.15 release includes new enhancements that we are pleased to share with you. Take a look at what's new in this latest release. For our US and Canadian properties that use EMV payment terminal devices, notifications have been added to the check-in process to help users protect against multiple authorizations on the same credit or debit card. These notifications remind you to confirm that the card the guest is using is different than the card used on the existing authorization. If a credit or debit card was authorized for a reservation prior to a guest's arrival, the authorization will continue to be displayed in the Authorization Center. When checking in that guest, a notification banner will display alerting you that an authorization already exists. If the guest is using the same card that was previously authorized, you will uncheck the Use Payment Terminal box to use that existing authorization. When you uncheck that box, the existing card information will be displayed in the Additional Information section, and you can then check the guest in using the existing authorization. If a credit or debit card was previously authorized for a reservation, but the guest has a different card they want to use at check-in, you will leave the Use Payment Terminal box checked and click Check-in. A pop-up message will appear to confirm that the card the guest is using is different than the card used on the existing authorization. If the card is the same, click Cancel to go back to the payment information screen to uncheck the Use Payment Terminal box. If the card is different, click Continue to move forward with the check-in process, enabling the payment terminal for guest use. After the check-in process is completed using the payment terminal, the guest reservation will have a status of in-house, and a message will be sent to the payment processor, Shift4, to request the reversal or voiding of the previously existing authorization. The Authorization Center will only display the authorization for the new card, and the previously existing authorization will be removed. The actual void of the previous authorization can only be viewed in the Shift4 application. While there will only be one card in the Authorization Center, the previous credit or debit card information is still saved to the reservation and will be displayed in the Alternate Credit Card Selection option. The Credit Check List Report has been added to the list of optional reports available to be included when generating the Night Audit reports. Navigate to the Night Audit Report configuration screen to select up to 20 optional reports, including the newly added Credit Check List Report. Once Night Audit has completed, the Credit Check List Report will display under the optional reports. When booking a reservation associated with a group, you may have the need to quickly view group block details while in the process of making the reservation. When a group is added to the booking, a Group Blocks tab is now displayed on Step 2 of the reservation booking process within the Room and Rate information screen. Clicking the Group Blocks tab will show you a view-only version of the page, where total blocks and pickups for the group are displayed. Use the Back button to return to the booking process. We hope you'll enjoy these new enhancements and head to the customer community to review the full release notes.